Okay, Zoe is actually on my back. What you looking at? Yeah? Okay, good girl. What you looking at? Seeing something out there too? You seeing something out there?
Slow down.
It's her obstacle course. Is there anything better than a pork chomp and hanging out with Mama at 5 in the morning? I don't think so. How much of your pig ear is left? I think you're right. I think it's at least halfway gone. Oh, yeah, that's all drooly up and all juicy with your slobber. Oh, thank you for bringing it to me. Yummy yummies. Yummy yummies. Pig ear lasts probably, what, 15 minutes. Three steps, and they're so difficult for her. Come on. This looks suspiciously like a Newfie has pushed the gate out. I wonder who the culprit could be. Could it be you? She's too interested in eating. Zoe and her bully stick. She just got a new one for the week, and it's a big one. We got her one of the 18-inch long ones, and she loves them. So I'm trying not to laugh because Zoe just put her nose down a hole in a tree. It's like a trunk of the tree. And I'm laughing because right now it's okay. But if she does that in about 2 or 3 months, we had bees down that hole. We've worked to try to get rid of them, and they just are not responding to anything we sprayed last year. So I'm just kind of laughing because if she does that in about 2 months, she's gonna get a snoot full of bees. Work is over and it's a little bit of playtime. Zoe, look here. Ready? Go! Good girl. Ready? Go! Are you liking the sleet, Zozos? Are you liking the sleet? Now Zoe has pig ear breath. We have leaves that gather up above here under our deck. And it doesn't matter how often I clean them up, they seem to keep gathering. And we found out that Zoe loves the piles of leaves. She is going to absolutely go crazy this fall. She's already been in that pile. Kind of a shame that I'm going to be cleaning them up here the next day or so when it's warm. Yep, I'm ready. What's up, Zozos? What are you eating? You eating grass? Get that out of your mouthies. What you doing? Zozo, what are you doing? Good job. Good job. Ready?